This is the 2,000 liters brewhouse and mass tun, load tun, kettle, and whirlpool. You can see the details. The bottom agitator and the tube, the pump. This is the green door. It's on bottom. And this is rack, can be lifted and down. This one is the balance column. Kettle and whirlpool. This one and this one is the compressed air system. I'll show you the back. The flow meter. Nice. Bottom agitator. Rack. Okay, that's all.